Good morning, student. Today we read chapter 9, Algebraic Expression and Identities. So what is algebraic expressions? Already you know or familiar about it in your previous classes. Okay. So these are called 4x, 3x plus 5, 2y minus 5, 4xy minus 7, anything you write with the variable and constant. So algebraic expression is made up of variable and constant. So here 4x, 3x plus y, 5, 2y minus 5, 4xy minus 7. So these are called algebraic expression. So variable means which value is not constant. Constant means a number. So suppose here 4x. It is algebraic expression. Here 4 is constant, x is variable. Here 3x plus 5, x is your variable and 3 and 5 are constant value. Here also 2y minus 5 means y is your variable, 2 and here minus 5 is your constant value. So according to the variable and variable x, y or xy, this value may be anything. So what number you put, according to the value given, the answer will be changed. Suppose 4x. When x equal to 1, value will be 4. When x equal to 2, 4x means 4 into 2, it will be 8. If x equal to 3, 4 into 3, 12. So according to the variables value changes, your answer will be also changed. So algebraic expression always construct with the variable and constant. Okay. So you can represent it in your number line also. Algebraic expression, suppose x plus 5. You take suppose this much x and 5. Like this you can express x plus 5. Suppose here given 3x plus 5. 3x means you take 3x. 1x, 2x, 3x. Then this is 5. So x, 5. So 3x plus 5. Like this you can represent it in a number line also. So one algebraic expression, there are terms, factors and coefficient. Okay. So what are terms, what are factors, what are coefficients? Okay. So terms means, suppose here 4x. Here is one term. 4x is called a term in this expression. Here 3x plus 5. Here two terms are there. First 4x. In second, here terms are 3x minus 5. These are called terms. Okay, these are called terms. And in this 2y one term, another is 5 minus 5. Two terms are there. Here 4xy and minus 7. You will put this sign also. These are called terms. Okay. So here how many terms? Here one term. In this expression one term. Here expression two terms. Here also two terms. Here also two terms are there. This algebraic expression construct with here one term, two term, two term, two term. Factors means what? Suppose 4x. 4x has two factors. One is 4, another is x. The factor you know. So 4 and x. 3x means factors 3x. Okay. So these are called factors. Then coefficient what? You can get numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient means suppose 4x. What is the numerical coefficient of 4x means 4. Only 4 is called numerical coefficient or coefficient. Simply you say coefficient. Suppose in 3x coefficient is 3. 2y coefficient is 2. Okay. So suppose 3xy. You will be asked numerical coefficient 3. Suppose you will be asked the coefficient of x. Means you leave x 3y. In 3xy, coefficient of x equal to 3y. Coefficient y will be 3x. Understood? So 3xy means coefficient of x means you just hide x. 3y. Coefficient y means you just hide y. 3x. So according to question you have to answer numerical coefficient or the coefficient of asking any variable. Okay, so this is algebra. The terms means each, how many terms you say? These are 4x, 3x, 5, 2x, minus 5, 4xy, minus 1. These are terms. Factors means here 4x, 4 and x, 3x, 3 and x, 5 factor, only 5. Or 1 and 5 or only 5 is the factor. 2y, 2 one factor, y another factor, in minus 5 is only factors. And coefficient, you know, numerical coefficient, constant values you will show that the constant values are called coefficient. Then come to expression. Algebraic expressions are monomial, binomial, trinomial or polynomial. So they may be monomial means if there is one term only. If the expression is constructed with one term, then that is called monomial. So monomial equal to 3x, suppose 4y, 7zy or 3xy. So this is one term. These are called monomial expressions. Okay. So binomial expressions what? Binomial expressions what? Suppose 2. 5x plus 3. Suppose 3x, 3y minus 4. 5xz, xy minus 3. So these are binomial because there are two terms are there. In each expressions, two terms are there means they are called binomial. Okay. Then trinomial what? Trinomial means 3. Tri means 3. Bi means 2. Trinomials means if the expression is construct of 3 terms. Suppose A plus B plus C. This is called trinomial. Suppose x plus y plus z. Okay. Suppose suppose x minus 2y plus 3z. So there are 3 terms are there. Okay. So these are called trinomial. Okay. Then polynomial. Polynomial means more than 3 expressions. Suppose 2a minus 3b plus 4c. Suppose 8d, like this. Okay. These are more than 3 expressions. 4 expressions are there. Suppose 3xy plus 2yz plus 3 xz, okay, plus 5yz, like this. So these are more than 3 terms. So this is called, these are called polynomials. So if the expression construct with one term, that is polynomial, 2 terms are there, binomial, 3 terms are there, trinomial, more than 3 terms are called polynomial. Then come to like and unlike terms. So what are like and unlike terms? Suppose some expressions written 7x, 14x, 3y, 4z, 3xy, then 5xy, then 6y minus 9y square minus 9x square. So these are given. So what are like terms? So all x, there is only x are there, not xy. Okay. So these are like terms. So like terms 7x, 14y, 14x, then 3y, 6y, 3y, 6y, then here xy, here xy, 3xy, 5xy. Okay, then like this. So these are like terms. So if the variables are same, then they are called like terms. Here x, but here xy, but here another y is there. So this will be not like terms. Okay. So if the variables are same, then you can take as whatever may be the coefficient. The numbers, if change, that is not matter. Okay. So if the variables are same, they are called like terms. Now how to do addition in algebraic expression. So here the two expressions given, 7x square minus 4x plus 5. Another is 9x minus 10. So you have to add these two expressions. Then first write, you are given 7x square minus 4x plus 5 plus you, and before I told that what are the like terms. So you write the like terms under the means same like term. Suppose here 9x. So below x like term you write that here plus 9x. Okay. 10 minus 10 here minus 10. So these are constants. These are x and x like terms. Then add. Same thing. Here there is no another variable. So write simply 7x square. Then 4 minus 4x plus 9x. So how much? Plus 5x plus 5 minus 10 minus 5. So this is your answer. Okay. You first arrange. How to write? Like terms. You write at one place. Here another expression. Suppose 7xy plus 5yz minus 3zx. Second is 4yz. So where yz? Here you will add below yz. 4yz 9 plus 9zx. Here zx plus 9zx minus 4y. There is no 4y. Extra you will write minus 4y. Okay. Then next is minus 3xz. Where is xz? xz, zx same. Minus 3zx plus 5x. There is no x. So extra you will write plus 5x. Then minus 2xy. Here first xy minus 2xy. Now you add this 3. Okay. So 7xy minus 2xy. How much? Plus 5xy. 5yz plus 4yz. That is nothing. You leave it. Plus 9yz. Then minus 3zx minus 3zx. Minus 6zx plus 9x. Plus 3zx. 9x minus 6zx. Then here nothing. Minus 4y. Simply you write. Then plus 5x. This is your answer. Okay. So like terms, you first arrange them, all the variables, all the terms, then you write. Okay. Now how to do subtraction. So 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3 from 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. Here also you arrange according to the terms, like terms. Okay, so from this means first you write this number. So first write 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. Minus, okay, minus this one. 5x square first item, 5x square minus 4y square. Where? Here y square minus 4y square plus 6y. Here below 6y, 6y, then minus 3 last. Okay, this one. So minus means here you will little change. So here this 5x square means plus means it will alternate reverse. Minus here minus means it will plus Here plus means it will minus, here minus means plus. 5, suppose 5x minus 3y minus 4y, 4z suppose. So when you open the bracket, it will alternate. Suppose 5x, here plus 3y will be minus 3y, here minus will be plus 4z. Okay, like this. Second expressions symbol will be changed. When you subtract, second expressions which you are going to minus, that symbol must be changed. Plus will be minus, minus will be plus, that will be changed. Okay, so here minus 7x square, here it is not plus now, minus 5x square means 7x square minus 5x square, that is 2x square. Then it will not change, minus 4xy. Then here plus minus 4y square, change it to plus 4y square. That means 8 plus 4 plus 12y square. Variables will be added, term constant will be same as is same. Y square means y square, 8 plus 4, 12. Then it is 5x. Again plus 6y, change it to minus, here is minus symbol. The minus 3y minus 6y minus 9y. Then it is minus, change it to plus, plus 3. Okay. So when you subtract, the second expression's symbol will be changed. Plus will change it to minus, minus will change to plus. Then as usual, how you do the plus, you apply the same procedure to subtract. Okay. So I hope you understand how to do addition subtraction with what are coefficient, terms, factors, with what are monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial, all this. So this is all about today's class. Thank you.